Hey everybody, Adam Savage in my cave, and I have been doing a metric ton of cons this year, and I've got a metric ton to go. I think we're doing 11 or 12 in the calendar year of 2024. And a few weeks ago, I was at Phoenix Fan Fusion, and a guy came up to my table with one of the coolest model kits anyone has ever given me. He gave me these 6 pieces, and then he showed me how that they could be assembled to make a original trilogy Obi-Wan lightsaber here. Look at that. A beautiful little lightsaber. This beautiful kit comes courtesy of Twin Sun Sabers. We'll include a link to their company in the description. That is a company name, but it is one dude. Here's a picture of him that I took for his gram. He hand makes these lightsabers in his home shop, and it doesn't just stop. And by the way, when I say hand makes in his home shop, I mean like he's got single point threaded little things here. This is non-trivial high quality machining, and he does these himself. This is spectacular. I'm just delighted by this, and there are so many more. For instance, we've got Luke, Empire Strikes Back, the built saber. Yeah, this is awesome. We've got the Luke original Star Wars lightsaber, the Graflex flash handle. That is, knowing this one as well as I do, it's just lovely to see it. We've got Rey's saber, even with a little bit of tape around the midsection, like it looks authentic and scale. You took a picture of any of these, it would be very difficult to tell the scale. He even makes blades that are also threaded on the end. And this isn't like an insert, like you drilled a hole and tapped it. This is actually a threaded spud, and it screws into your half of your Darth Maul saber. Most of his sabers have a keyring hole in the bottom so that you can carry these around with you. And they haven't ignored the Jedi either. We have a Qui-Gon saber here, one of the loveliest, and you can put a blue blade in that if you want to. And my personal favorite of all the sabers really is the Phantom Menace Obi-Wan saber. I bought my first one from Ryan Nagata many years and years ago, where he hand filed these little pips on the bottom. I mean, I bought my first full-size one. This is again, highly respectable miniature model. And I do not know whose saber that is. That's the only one I don't know in this batch. But look at this, like, this feels to me like someone who's like, there's not enough joy in the world. We need mini sabers because they'll make everything better. That's what I feel like his business proposal looked like. Come on, stay there. Okay, now you stay over here. All right. Come on. Everyone calm down. Okay, great. Excellent. Twin Sun Saber, thank you so much for coming by the table in Phoenix, and you do really, really lovely work. As a fellow machinist, as a fellow machine operator, I'm really impressed with these all close up, and I've been carrying around the Empire Strikes Back Luke saber for a couple weeks now. It's beautiful, chef's kiss. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Again, links to everything is in the description. It's a very quick show and tell.